great question for you guys.
Shoot.
When somebody comes in and they're looking to remodel their entire home, where is a good place that you think they should start?
With us.
Of course. I think it's a great question because I think overall, taking that time and researching designers, researching design build firms like us can really help kind of pre-educate you into that process of what you want to do with your home. You know, how do you want to design it? You know, what kind of details are you thinking that you might want in that space? And then checking out those companies, those designers' inspiration photos on their own websites, you know, finding those things that kind of cater to the style that you like, and really then going in or calling and talking with somebody to see who partners well with you for your project. I think that's a really important and very crucial key point to kind of starting a process where you're designing your whole home, even if it's just a small remodel for just a kitchen or a bathroom. Really kind of doing some upfront research, finding out what your style might be, even if you don't know, just taking the time and finding photos on Houzz or Pinterest.
I love Houzz.
Yes.
It gives you so many.
It's a great
varieties.
resource,
It does.
right?
It does.
Yeah.
You know,
Gives you
idea
color
books.
palettes
Yeah, color
and,
palettes. So that's a really great starting point, because then you kind of have an idea, all right, this is inspiring me for my space. This is might be a direction I want to go. And then as designers, we then can take those inspiration photos and kind of customize it into a look for the space that you're trying to
Yeah,
design.
I like that customizing.
Yeah.
You know, I think that's one thing we do well
Right.
is customize and
Mhm.
tailor specific to each client, to where everybody's just not the same, because
Right.
we all have our different style
Absolutely.
and taste and the things that
Absolutely.
we like. Now, is there a place that you should start, like once like you're looking at the whole home? So do you, if the kitchen or the bathroom, should we look and say, well, you should start from the bathroom, or is there like a process as far as once you've gathered all your material? Do you start with the kitchen, or like where's the best place to start once you have determined
Right.
that client relationship?
Well, let me throw it back at you this way. Let's say where not to start.
Okay,
So-
I like that.
Don't start with your paint colors.
Well, why
So
not?
I know that's like a really like a hang up point for a lot of people, because it's like you feel like you need to have that color palette for your whole
Right.
space.
Yeah.
And for me, and I know for you too as well, you guys as well, that's the last thing that you want to pick in your process, you know, because the paint color, there's so many different options that no matter what you pick for your materials, for your countertops, for your flooring, you're going to be able to find that
Right.
winning combination with the paint color.
Yeah.
So the inclination is to start with your paint color and move from there. But I think it's flipping it around and starting from your must-have. Like,
Yeah.
I really love this countertop. So, oh great, let's start there and design around it.
Yeah,
Right.
think
Or
that
I
was a
really love
great-
these
great
cabinets.
point.
Yeah.
Great point, and great starting point. Really do your homework and your
Mhm.
research of finding
Absolutely.
that perfect
For sure.
design build firm that works best for you.
Absolutely.
Because paint could ruin it.
Good.
Good.
Purple doesn't always look purple.
Choose wisely.
Choose wisely.